Hi, hello. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Master Class. Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In Chapter 3, you will learn Text Tool, Vertical Text Tool, Path Text Tool. Let's begin. Here you can get a text tool, vertical type, or you can right click over there. There is a three type of typing tool: type tool, type on part tool, vertical type tool. I will explain you one by one. Okay. Text tool is mainly used to writing something like that. Okay. If you write something here like that, just a minute, I will just. Okay. Writing tool is mainly used to write something like that. Okay. You can write over here, or simply it's a word. Okay. So it's this selection. If you want to select everything, and if you want, there is a two type of property: paragraph property and area type property. Okay, just click here to know whatever you want. If you want to align a center, you want to align a right, or you want to align justify last line, align left, justification, like a word. Okay. And if you want to change the size of this character, okay, just go to here and increase the size also. Okay, if you want to capital everything, just click here, and here is the property menu. Here is the all cap, first cap, but the last one everything is small but cap. Okay, just click, everything is capital letter. This first is capital but bigger one, and everything is small one. Okay, just like you can select everything, go to here, click the character, and here is superscript and subscript also. I will just explain you the example of this. X2, like maths formula, x2 y2 equal to 2xy, like that. And now I want to this for superscript. Just click here character, and I want to superscript. So you can see 2 is superscript, and this 2 also superscript I want. Okay, just go to here, character, click here, and superscript, and 2xy. Okay, now we want to color the text, or if you want to change the font type, you can just click here. Here is the number of 100 of font is available. Okay, you can select whatever you want. Okay, or if you want to, this line should be change different font, you can just select and font. Okay, now if you want to change the color of this line, just go to here, and here just click and change the color. So this will be changed. Okay, now next one is I want to change the writing pad. This is the writing pad. Okay, area of this. Okay, you can change over here, or you can select a selection tool, or increase and decrease also, like that. Okay, or you can rotate also, like that. Just click and rotate it, like that. double click here and rotate it, or simply you can click here to show more properties. Okay, there is a number of property. Okay, and next, type on path. If you want to draw something like ellipse and write this ellipse corner, just select the white color. I want to white color of this circle. Okay, this ellipse. Okay, and now I want to write the corner of ellipse. Okay, just click here, go to type on path, click here, write down, or you can write here. Like if you want to some logo. Okay, so there is a type. Same thing, you can change the color also, character also. Okay, like that you can decrease and increase the color of, size of, and everything you can change it. Font color, I want to change the font, you can change the font also. Okay, like that. Okay, because this is gone, because the color of this is not good. Okay, or if you want to write something vertically, okay, just click here or write down the vertically. Something is required to write vertically also. Okay, so this is the basic of typing tool, like that. You know, if you know word, this is the very simple. Okay, so typing tool, just press the T button of the keyboard and write down over here. You can just type the whatever you want, and after the writing, if you want to some convert this writing to convert is outline, just go to object and go to here, create a outline. Okay, just a minute, go to, just a minute. Just select this, go to object, create outline, type, go to create outline. Okay, now you can't change this font. Okay, now ungroup, and I want to this, you can increase and decrease also. Okay, you can rotate also, because this is the object now, and I want to change the color, size, everything you can change, outline color, everything you can change over here, like that. Okay, I want to change this to here, or if you want to rotate this thing, just click everything and rotate it. You want to edit mode also, like that, but you want to ungroup this first. Okay, you can rotate this, like that. Okay, so this is the basic tool of writing tool to write something attractive, like that. Okay, so meet me second lecture.